Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, confirm your system meets the basic requirements for Melon Sandbox installation. Use Windows 10 or 1164-bit and sign in with administrator rights first. Install Visual C++ 2015-2019x64 and the NET framework 4.8 before running any files. Close the target game and any game launchers before proceeding with setup. Temporarily disable real-time antivirus or add an exclusion for the install folder to prevent quarantines. Keep a system restore point ready in case you want to revert changes later. Next, download the Melon Sandbox ZIP package from the official source and save it locally. Extract the ZIP to C /Melon Sandbox using 7-zip or Windows Explorer for predictable paths. Right-click the main executable and open properties, then check unblock if that option appears. Run Melon exe or the provided installer as administrator to ensure proper file registration. When Windows prompts for firewall access or permissions, allow them for the application to hook correctly. Finally, relaunch your system if the installer requests a reboot to complete setup. After installation, launch the target game normally, then run Melon exe to initialize the sandbox. Wait for the overlay or console confirmation and then test a basic mod or script to verify hooks. If the sandbox fails to attach, add C /Melon Sandbox to your antivirus exclusions and restart the game. Update your GPU drivers and Visual C++ runtimes if errors persist, then reboot the system. Inspect log files in C /Melon Sandbox /logs for clear error messages to guide fixes. Rerun the installer as administrator if you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.